All right, we're going to jump right into it. No reason to wait around. Here's what my truck looked like before. Served me well. So thankful for it and all that it provided in the process of building my business. And here's what it looks like now. And I am beyond stoked, really excited. And yeah, it just looks so good. So I'm excited to have it back, excited to be out there working. I want to answer a couple questions. Was it worth it? First of all, we have to ask, why even ask that question? And that's because the cost of getting my truck wrapped like this. Before, the decals that I had on the red truck, that cost me $500 to have it all around on the side. I bought that truck, it was already red, so that wasn't the color that I wanted for my branding or anything like that, but I got such a ridiculous deal on it. Bought my truck for $8,000. I got it, and it was worth $17,000 when I bought it. I could have turned around and sold it and made a ton of money. That wasn't my plan. I wanted a great truck. I bought it from a family friend, so it was an awesome deal. Put the $500 decals on it, and that helped. That made me feel a little better going to jobs, and it served its purpose. But then I really wanted to get to a place where I wanted to do a full rebrand of my entire business. So even right now, I'm wearing this green shirt, black hat. That's all about to change because what I got from this situation, right? So since I didn't have a really strong, cohesive brand to begin with, I found an awesome company here in OKC called Wrap It OK, or Wrap It Up OK. And they went from start to finish. The whole process was getting my rebranding done. So all my branding, all my logos, all my colors solidified in one place with a huge brand package that I now have that I can just roll over into all my marketing materials and into any type of merch that I want to create or anything like that. So really helpful, really cohesive. That was a part of the price. And then they went ahead and did this full wrap. So the full wrap for me and all the branding and everything included was right around $5,000, a little less than that. And I know some people are going to be like, oh, you could have found that for $3,000 or $4,000. Yeah, maybe you're right. I went with an awesome local branding company, and I'm happy with it. I also see that $5,000 for a truck or van is pretty normal, pretty average, and so really excited about it. So then the question is it worth it? Well, to be honest, we don't know yet, but I think it is, right? So now all my stuff, like I said, my marketing materials already printed out, ready to go. I got my merch coming in the next couple of weeks. Monday, literally yesterday, was the first day that I was out working, doing jobs with the truck, with the new wrap. And this morning I woke up to a new request that literally said, how'd you hear about us? And it said truck wrap. And so boom, right away, yeah, I think it's worth it. Long run, is it going to add up to $5,000? Probably. It's probably going to pay for itself within the year. But either way, I can tell you that when I was going to my jobs yesterday, I felt confident. I felt like I had a good, strong, professional business. And that was awesome. That made it worth it in my soul, right? Plus, today I was out and about in really nice neighborhoods. I quoted 4 different houses, and that just feels good, right? Rolling up, quoting houses, being in neighborhoods with a beautiful truck wrap, and the color scheme is just something that makes me feel like I'm kind of back home in Florida a little bit, and that's really cool. But also just some of my favorite colors, orange and blue. And then just as a side note, I live in Oklahoma City. The Oklahoma City Thunder, the basketball team here, they're orange and blue. So kind of cool, just kind of fits in general all together. And so yeah, with that said, I even sent some pictures to some of my contacts from my large commercial companies, just letting them know, hey, this is what I'm going to look like when I roll up. But also, I'm excited to share the growth of my business. And one of the keys for me, I move at the speed of cash. So I don't take a loan out for this. I didn't finance it. I saved up, waited until I could pay for it cash. And now I don't have to worry about it. It's done. It's ready to go. That would be my advice to you, right? And so you're seeing the process of the growth of my business. I started with just the truck that I was able to use. I got it decaled. That felt great. That was exciting. And now it's time to, level up again. And here I am with my beautiful truck, all my branding ready to go. Boom. So that's it. That's it for this video. If you're in a situation where you feel like you're ready to pull the trigger, I'd say make sure you find a good business that you can work with, collaborate with, that helps you. The whole time, they didn't make me feel like an idiot. They were teaching me. They were giving me their expert advice. And so it really came together. They even came up with the crystal clear view since 2019, because even though my first 2 years was a side hustle, that's when I started my LLC. 2019, 2021 is when I jumped. 2021, 2022, I don't know, right around there, full time. So yeah, that's that. And in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're trying to get there. Oh, you know what? Just so I don't forget, yeah, if you're looking for a course on how to start your window cleaning side hustle and not lose a ton of money in the process, jump on my course. It's $78 right now through the end of April, I think. And you're going to learn everything you need to know, foundational pieces to get going with your window cleaning side hustle or business. I also do some coaching one-on-one, just hour session at a time. You decide how much you want to do, but that's that. All right, now in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're trying to get there.